Hello and welcome to News by Standards. An inquiry has been launched into charities set up in honour of fundraising an Army veteran Captain Sir Tom Moore. The Charity Commission has concerns about the Captain Tom Foundation, management and decisions that could have generated significant profit for a company run by his family. The veteran, who died last year aged 100, raised millions for charity, but this money is not part of the inquiry. The foundation said it would work closely with the Commission. Captain Sir Tom Moore, who was born in Keighley in West Yorkshire, gained international fame when he carried out the fundraising walk at his home in Marston Moretain, Bedfordshire, when COVID restrictions were first introduced in 2020. The £33 million raised, totalling £38.9 million including gift aid, was managed and distributed by the NHS charities together before the Just Giving account was closed down. After he became a well-known figure, his family set up a separate charity in his name called the Captain Tom Foundation, which aims to support and empower older people through fundraising and awareness campaigns. The money raised by Captain Sir Tom was separate from the formation of the charity and is therefore not part of the investigation. In March 2022, the publication of the first annual accounts of the foundation show it had incurred £240,000 in costs and given £160,000 to good causes. The Commission said it became concerned about arrangements between the charity and a company linked to Sir Tom's daughter, Hannah Ingram Moore, and her husband Colin, as well as the trustees' decision-making and how the charity was governed. The issues revolve around a failure to consider intellectual property and trademark issues, including the trademarking of variations of the name Captain Tom by a company controlled by Miss Ingram Moore and Mr. Ingram Moore. This could have generated significant profit for the company, the Commission added. Helen Stevenson, Chief Executive of the Charity Commission, said the watchdog's concerns had mounted over the charity. We consider it in the public interest to examine them through a formal investigation, which gives us access to the full range of our protective and enforcement powers, she said. Earlier this year, the Commission reviewed payment of consultancy fees to third parties, but said it was later satisfied that these specific payments were a reasonable reimbursement for expenses incurred by the companies in the formation of the charity. It added it was also satisfied that payments were adequately identified and managed. Stephen Jones, Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Captain Tom Foundation, said we will of course work closely with the Commission in its inquiry. He said the Commission was aware of where the image and intellectual property rights were held when the charity was set up. Jack Gilbert, who became Chief Executive of the charity at the beginning of the month, said he would ensure that in all respects, including governance and finance, the foundation conforms to best practice. A statement from the Ingham Moore family said the company controlled by Miss Ingham Moore and Mr. Ingham Moore made its application for various trademarks in April 2020 prior to the formation of the Captain Tom Foundation, which was in May 2020. Neither Hannah nor Colin Ingham Moore were trustee directors of the Captain Tom Foundation upon its formation.